Welcome back, guys. I thought I was going to start this next trim test on the 1st of December, but I'm still waiting on several more products that have not arrived yet. So I'm just letting you know that's the delay. It's most likely going to start the 1st of January, 2023. And I have, of course, acquired the pinnacle of crappy faded trim, that being the Chevy Avalanche bed cover panel, which of course is the same trim that General Motors used on almost all of their vehicles of that era. I'll get more into the prep in the setup video, but I wanted to show you what I used to prepare it, and that is Duradressing Dura Cleaner. And it's actually intended for their tire coating, but the big point here is that it dissolves and breaks down existing silicone, which is common to many lower end trim coatings and sealants. If you look here, you'll see that there's a brown color that is rinsing away, and that is the silicone that must have been previously applied to this panel. So we're going to make sure that absolutely all of it has been removed for a proper surface for these products to adhere to. So just wanted to give you guys a quick update with that, let you know that this test is coming. Stay tuned for it. Most likely look for it in the beginning of January. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you soon.